I want to start making preparations for this year's Day of Giving on April 9th. Now, I seem to recall last year, Explorer, we had a little bit of a misunderstanding about what I was asking you to do in terms of getting ready. Do you remember this? So this year, what I need you to do is to recruit an all-star group of Explorer students to get excited about Day of Giving on April 9th. Can I count on you to do that for me? Hey, Explorer, again? I thought we understood the Day of Giving assignment this year. What are we doing? Hi, Explorers. This year, LaSalle's Day of Giving is on April 9th, and we want to challenge our community members to make a meaningful impact on the student experience through our Known for Supporting Students campaign. Gifts to the university will enhance the academic and overall campus experience for students through scholarships and much, much more. Be on the lookout for more information on how you can make a difference on that day. Thank you for supporting our students and helping them to be known for more.